Alright, go.
1, 2, 4. Yay!
Yeah, she can ride her bike with no handlebars. That's the main point of this video. Come on, Hannah. Epic, come on. Epic, get your ass back here. Come on. Come on. You're going slow.
What?
Come on. We're going home. That's okay.
Oh yeah? I'm on a bike. I'll go faster than you. What?
Oh yeah, I know how to run.
Yeah.
With my tiptoes.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, I can go so fast. I can't run normally. It's so weird. Don't run anybody over!
Yeah, don't run anybody over, Carl.
Hey, look, there's a guy over there. Wait, what's his name?
Oh, I said Carter's in the car that passed.
Oh, I'm like, did you know that kid?
No.
Okay, I thought you didn't. Okay, picking up my stuff. Hey, you're in charge of the bag.
Yeah, sweet.
Yep.
Bag.
I'm in charge of the book. Alright. Turning it off.